Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama! Saan Uy, lakay!
Happy birthday, Mami! Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy birthday, Mama!
God bless you! More birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama! God bless you. We love you.
More birthdays! Happy New Year!
Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you sa pag-aalaga, paghuhugas ng pinggan at paglalaba. Happy birthday ulit and more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday to our pretty and gorgeous Lola. Today, this is a special, gorgeous, and pretty day. And another blessing. Lola, I made some letter for your birthday. Sana magustuhan mo. Babasahin ko na lang, Lola, I've been so busy sa studies ko talaga, and kakatapos ko lang sa homework, pero nasisingit ko pa rin gumawa ng letter para sa birthday mo kasi ganun kita kamahal. Siyempre, importante ka sa buhay namin, Lola. Okay, eto, I will read it na lang, Lola, but binigyan ko siya ng effort, pagmamahal, at pagsasalamat. Sige. Happy birthday, my dearest Lola. Today, this is not just an ordinary day. Today is the day God chose to give our family one of the greatest blessings. Ikaw po, Lola. And honestly, I don't think words will ever be enough to explain how grateful I am na ikaw ang Lola ko. Lola, you are more than just a grandmother to me. You are my safe place, my comfort, my quiet strength. Sa bawat pagod ko, sa bawat tungkot, sa bawat problema na hindi ko masabi sa iba, iniisip ko lang kayo. And somehow, gumagaan na ang pakiramdam ko. Kasi alam ko, may isang taong nagdadasal para sa akin araw-araw. At kayo po iyon. Thank you for loving us in the most patient and selfless way. Yung pagmamahal ninyo, hindi maingay, hindi showy, pero sobrang lalim. Ramdam na ramdam ko po, iyon sa bawat pag-aalaga ninyo, sa bawat pagkain na niluluto ninyo, sa bawat simpleng kumain ka na ba na tanong ninyo. Those little things mean so much more than you know. Minsan naiisip ko, paano kaya kung wala kayo? And it honestly scares me. Kasi you are one of the hearts that keep this family together. Kayo yung tahimik na pundasyon ng tahanan natin. The strength behind our smiles. The prayer behind our victories. Lola, if I could give you the world today, I would. You deserve all the happiness, peace, and love that this life can offer. I pray that God blesses you with more birthdays to celebrate, more laughter to share, and more beautiful memories with us. Sana po humaba pa ang buhay ninyo, lumakas pa ang katawan nyo, at manatiling masaya ang puso ninyo. At kung may mga pagkakataon man na hindi ko nasasabi o na ipapakita kung gaano ko kayo kamahal, gusto kong malaman ninyo ngayon, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. I am so proud to be your apo. Thank you for your sacrifices. Thank you for your guidance. Thank you for being our light. Again, happy birthday, Lola. You are deeply loved today and always. Yay! Happy birthday, Lola. We love you so much and sana mag-enjoy ka this day and wag masyadong magpapastress. Wag kalimutan alagaan ng sarili. Lola, babawi kami sa'yo. Pangako yan. Babawi kami basta magpakalakas ka, wag maging makulit. Okay? We love you, Lola naming maganda.
Birthday, Lola. I love you. Birthdays to come. God bless you. Pray to God if you have a problem. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hello. Good day, dobre din. Maptang ako sa ating birthday celebrant. Happy 63rd birthday. Ma'am Shifeli, many more birthdays to come. We love you. Thanks for being a super Lola. And stay healthy. Magdasan nyo pa, mailayo pa di apoyo si Tumong. Okay, that's it. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama Feli. We always thank God for having such a wonderful, loving, caring, sometimes grumpy, yet a very supportive mom like you. And you're all in one package of a mom not just a mom, but as a lola for your grandkids. And we praise and thank God that you're given again another year to celebrate your birthday. May God bless you more and more years to come to celebrate your birthdays with us, and grant you good health, and always take good care of you all, every day, all the way. And stay as you are, and for loving us so much. We are so thankful for that, and God's love is shown through you. We love you, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Lola. More birthdays to come. Mwah. Happy birthday, Lola. It's nice to greet you. Today, we are hosting your birthday. And I say happy birthday to you. I love you.
Hi Ma! Happy birthday! See you soon! I love you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Truth is, I miss you.